Hello everybody, thanks for joining. Can you see me on the screen? Yeah, everybody got the cameras on. Yes, I can see you all down the side there. So thanks for joining, appreciate it's short notice. As you know, if you've read the email, what we're here to talk about is the end of year targets. That's the nature of the beast at this time of the year. Hopefully you can see the graph. Does anybody have any initial questions? Yeah, go for it. Okay. Yeah, you can see if I just move my mouse. Yeah, it's over there. Well, just before I finish answering, I'm just gonna have to take a pause here to sneeze. So try not to keep watching me. Keep yourselves busy for a moment. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Keep yourselves busy, please. I'm just gonna sneeze again. Oh dear. Excuse me. There won't be a moment. Oh, sorry. Oh. It won't be one moment. Oh, okay. I think it's past now. Excuse me. I'm sorry you all had to watch that. Thank you for those typing, bless you. So, where were we up to? Okay, let's carry on.